So guys, we'll be talking about most things, those things that you need to do after posting your video, after filming your video. Is another thing for somebody to film a video, is another thing for you to post a video, and is another thing for YouTube to recommend your video to people, and is another thing for the algorithm to recognize you. Guys, welcome you back again to my channel. My name is Obi and this is Obi's World. If this is the very first time I'm coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. And if I'm a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming to watch me. Guys, before I continue, I really want to appreciate most of you that have been watching my videos. Seriously, I'm seeing the love, the sharing. Oh my god, I'm so happy because you know, at the end of the month, YouTube used to give us a recap and I saw a lot of things. You guys are doing well. Thank you so much. The love is so massive and I love you guys. Thank you for sharing my videos. Please share more, share, because at the end we all will celebrate. Okay, so today guys, we're be talking about those things that you just have to start doing to your channel for more views. Seriously, as in those things that you must do, that you have to start doing immediately you post your video here on the street of YT. So those videos might include your short or your long form video. It can be your short or your long form video. Okay, so you just have to start doing those things so that YouTube will help you to recommend your video out there for people to watch your video. If people are not watching your video, guys, you don't look like as if you're wasting your time here on the street of YT. The motivation will not be there. So you need to start doing those things so that your videos will be recommended out there. Thing that you must do, that you just have to start doing, be the first person to like your video whenever you post your videos. Be the first person to like your video. I did not say watch your video. Be the first person. You might be watching your video and it might not even count. It does not count much, but be the first to like your video. It's really hard because you are posting your video. You must like your video now. You understand? Because how you just post a video and you don't like your video, that means you don't even encourage somebody to like your video. Please be the first person to like your video. Okay? So you drop comment that relates to your video on your comment section. If you're that person that teach us something like what I'm doing right now, drop a comment that will encourage those people that are watching to, you know, to do something on that your video. If it's a question, you can as well drop it on your comment section. It triggers your viewers to drop comments. It triggers them to do something on your channel. Okay, so you can as well drop a question. You can as well drop something that relates to your video on your comment section. Okay, so be the first to do things on your channel, on your videos. That is what we call follow up. You don't just post video and leave it like that. No, always follow up. Okay, so that you encourage your viewers to do same for you. Okay, it will help you to get more, you know, more engagements, more subscribers, more watch hours. That is the truth. For you to start doing all those things, because when you start following up your channel, it will help you to get more engagement, more subscribers, more viewers. Another thing that you need to start doing, when you post your video, make sure you share your videos to post. Okay, now if you go to your YouTube channel, you will see live, you will see shorts, and you will see posts. Okay, make sure you utilize all YouTube gadgets and just leave it there. They are for signs and wonders. Let me use that English, please. They are for signs and wonders. So make sure you utilize all those gadgets there, because they can as well fetch you views, and they can as well help YouTube to recommend your videos to people. YouTube can also recommend your videos to you. Okay, so please do all those things. Share to post. Drop your YouTube link there. Post your videos. Make sure you utilize those YouTube gadgets. Any day you post a video, go to your community and drop a video there. Share your video to your post. And as well, you can share to WhatsApp. If you have a WhatsApp, you can share in your WhatsApp status. All those things helps us to get more views. You can as well share to Facebook. This one are special places that you need to share your videos to get more views. And also make sure that your thumbnails, your tags, your title, they are flowing together. Okay, you don't come to your title and tell us another thing, and your thumbnail is telling us another thing. No. For instance, now, okay, your video is let me just say how to cook jollof rice, and in your thumbnail you have how to cook plantain chips or how to cook plantain porridge, and in your video you are teaching us how to cook jollof rice, and your title, okay, you will not write another thing. Guys, your video should they should follow up. Your title, your thumbnails, the same thing. That is how the algorithm can pick your video. That is how your video will start skyrocketing. Okay, that is how this view or they will come in, and that is how people will get to know you more. And also learn how to share your videos to your shorts. There are people that don't know how to post their videos to short. It's not all about posting that your video to short and you don't do anything about it. You know, YouTube has made this thing so easy, in the sense that after posting your video to short, you can as well post a long form video in your related video in short, in that same short, okay, whereby somebody will watch that your short video. The person will be, you know, so captured that he or she wants to watch the full video. So looking at the related video down there, the person will now click on the related video and the person will watch the full video. So YouTube has made it so easy for us. So you just need to understand how to post your videos in shorts. If you don't know how to do it, please go to my channel. I have a video about that. It's there. It's not far from my videos, okay? You start the upper side, you will see the video. Please watch that video and learn how to post your videos in shorts, okay? People are doing this thing and people are getting massive views. People are getting subscribers. Why not try and do this? Why not try and do this and come back and thank me later? Seriously. So it's very easy. Getting views shouldn't be a thing that will give you headache. If you can follow this simple and easy tutorial that we are able to give you guys, just try it and you come back here and tag me later, okay? Yes, start applying all those I just said right now in your channel, and you will see how your channel will start growing and the algorithm will pick your videos. Another thing that you need to start doing, please make sure that you are posting every day. Yes, like me now, I post 2 times in a day. I post 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you are growing your YouTube, please start posting every day. It really helps. And make sure that you are posting value. Don't come and start posting what we don't understand. Make sure that you are giving us value in what you are posting. Another thing again that you need to start doing so that YouTube will keep on recommending your videos and the algorithm will remember you is you need to start going on live. Live is very important. Start going on live if you have attained the criteria of going on live, because if you don't attain, they will not give you that. They will not allow you to go on live, okay? But if you have attained 50 subscribers, I think from there you start going on live. Make sure that you are going on live. Don't be discouraged. You must start today and you don't see anybody. You must start today, you will see 1 or 2 persons that are not interested, but just keep on pushing, because definitely you are going somewhere and you are going to skyrocket. The sky is just your limit. Now who give up, now lose. So guys, I will end it up here. Please, if you find those videos so helpful, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and as well share my videos, okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.